dimensions graph and a table. So in example 3, we have an absolute value here. So absolute value is not hard at all. Step 1, what we want to do is we want to plug the negative absolute value of x plus 2 plus 5 into our graphing calculator. And we do that as such. Okay, plug it in. Go to y equals. I'll turn it on. Okay. Y equals. Okay. Clear it out. All right. I try to remember. Yeah, let's do this. Put our negative sign here. There's our negative sign. Remember, this is not minus. This is negative, not minus. Okay. Absolute value. Here's a cheat code. You're going to go to second, 0. All right. And the first thing we see is the absolute value symbol. Hit that absolute value symbol. We now hit X. We now hit plus. We now hit 2. Okay. We slide to the right at our plus 5. Okay. So that's happy. Okay. Let's look at our next step. In our next step, we are to go to our XY table. All right, just like we did in part 1, we're going to hit second graph. All right, so we have our XY table good to go there. Let's look at our next step. Step 3. We are to plot 3 to 5 points using easy values and the minimum or the maximum value. Okay, so like in our previous question, we're looking at our Y chart, and we're looking for the max value and the minimum value. Okay, so so I know I see -8 is increasing. There's a positive number, +1. Okay, wow. Now we're going negative again. Okay, so this basically looks like an upside down smiley face. So the highest number that we get to is 5, it looks like. Highest number we get to is 5. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to use that information. Okay. All right. And now it's time for us to plot some values here. 3 to 5. So I know 5 is my high. So let's go here. So I'm going over -2, 5. All right, 1, 2, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to plot it right there. Boom. Okay. All right, now I'm going to tackle these guys here. -3, 4. All right, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put there. Okay. -1, 4. Over 1, a 4. Boom. Okay. And let's do -5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay, let's do 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So again, you guys are at a disadvantage because Mr. McCray can just use some technology and get my shape like this. Okay. Okay. And just line them up. I might want to make them as accurate as possible. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. And I know I'm being precise, but I guess I want you to be precise, so I'm modeling precise behavior. Okay. All right, so I think you guys kind of get what Mr. McCray is trying to attempt to do. I want these values as precise as possible. You guys are I guess, actually an advantage because you guys can kind of do it by hand. Okay, so here we are. All right. All right, final step. Let's take a look at it. Find the value of y when x is 5. So the value of y when x is 5. We bring back to our graphing calculator. Just land it right there. And we know our final answer is when x is 5, y is -2. Okay? All right. Pause the video, do what you got to do, and come on back for part 3.
Boundless innovation. It's what happens when disciplines collide at Kent State University. It can bring science, fashion, and medicine together to create a liquid crystal fabric that helps diabetic patients monitor their condition. Purposeful collaboration like this happens every day at Kent State. Purpose is what powers us, inspires us, and drives the innovation we create to change our world.
Allie just created a flyer, business cards, and letterhead, while Mike is still brainstorming. Your template finder gets the job done fast. Download your template finder for hundreds of beautiful free templates you can customize and print from home.
अपने अपने कैलकुलेटर निकाल लीजिए और जरा मुझे इस मल्टीप्लाई को करके बताइए कितना टाइम लेंगे आप।